Nice little project for today. We're going to change the window covering. The bit that goes between the window on the inside and the outside covers up the bit of woodwork, I suppose. Makes it look neat. Window trim, I suppose is a better term for it. Let's see how we go. As typical, I normally say we are halfway through the project when I decide to pick up a camera, but in this case we're actually 2/3 of the way through because I've already done 2 of the windows and this is the 3rd. You can see that this is the Caravan and those are the plastic bits. A bit exposed, it's all cracked in this bit and literally just breaking away. It's been like that for a short while. We do have some new ones. Where are they? There we are. There we go. That is going to go on there. And see how it looks when it's on. Oh, that one wants to be troublesome. Let's try a left-handed one. Oh, left-handed one seems to work all right. Yeah, this one's still being troublesome. So, the old electrician's trick. Yeah, can't do this one-handed. Just give you an idea of how to do it. And I'll put the camera down and get it fixed. And this is the stuff that's going back in. I've actually, through a bit of trial and error, I've realised that the inside needs to be square and the outside needs a little bit of a cut and a slight curve. Got in there, slide that one up until you miss that, and that's good. Yeah, that's gone in just about there. Perfect. There we have it. Coming on. Thank you to my glamorous assistant. The videoing. I'm smiling. Now this is the bit we've found a bit tricky, so I'm going to cut it slightly over length. Oh, failure. Oh, sorry. My nan always used to say, son, you gotta learn to use your head. Not sure if this is what she meant. Right, so we've got a point about there. This is the tricky bit. I need a mark. Oh, thank you. I need a mark to mark that bit there. As best I can see, it's about there. Take that right the way across. That's not far away at all. It's slightly more level. There we go. Mark that. Put a little notch in. And a little curvature which I found. Like that.
Just show because.
So again?
Do a close up with that.
I've got one.
Oh.
That. It's just a case of fiddling it on. It's a little bit fiddly, but it does go on. And that bit in there. And feed those in like that. How's that? Looks a bit better. Get a nod of approval.
Beautiful.
Right, as you can see, little nails with a white top which come with it, come with the stuff. And yeah, one there. One there. Now the other thing we've noticed, this little bead there, we can only assume that that is to catch the water, and we've chosen to put it on the inside to give an area there to catch water, so just to give it the maximum amount. I think we did it differently on the bathroom, but we didn't really realise, so have to see how that goes. Okay, so now we found to do these. This one. Now this has got to be really tight in to that, otherwise it doesn't go. So I've got that level, got that trapped in there. I need to pull that as far as possible. Okay, and need some screws. So got some new stainless screws. So I've got these for the outside, but I thought I might all use them on the inside here because they look pretty. Let's get that slightly more level, and get that one to there. Just need to mark that spot just there. No, that's not going to work, is it? I have to take that all the way in. Beautiful. Okay, let's get that level, like so. Could use a normal screwdriver. Where's the fun in that? Right, now that's perfect. You can see that that is right into that little curvature there. If it's not straight in that curvature, it doesn't lock. That locking bit there. So perfect. And there we go. Do another one. Another one on there. So that is up there. Got to get that right in there. And I've also found if I pull on that bar, mark that one there like that, that pulls it right in. And then one in there like that. One in there like that. And that should go in there perfectly. Perfect. Beautiful job. There's another one of those to do, but right now let's just get the what do you call it? Arm in place, I suppose. The bit that makes the window stay. The window stay. That'll do it, won't it? Called the window stay. Looks like a very good one, laughing. It's not a copy. And that sits.
Sound like Mrs. Doubtfire when she was doing the children thing.
There is similarities. Okay, and then that one. Well, that's in position. There we go. Perfect. And now that will hold the window like so. Brilliant. That's the way to do it.
No gaps.
No gaps. No gaps at all. Which is novel. Very novel. So just these other two to do now. And, what will do? What am I? Do it while I'm here. Hands. That in. Yep. Stay. Sit. Try that one. Oh, perfect. Like a sweet growth there. We should have one more spacer, which the former owners of the caravan chose to put on the inside for some reason. That was a strange place to put a spacer. Oh well.
Might have been the manufacturers.
I don't think it was. No. No, I can't imagine it would have been. They probably have some idea what spacer meant. Okay. What I'm going to do, open that one out the way.
I just videoed the ceiling then.
That's alright. It's a good looking ceiling. And there we have it. If you like that, don't know why you would, but if you do, you know what to do. Click and subscribe. See you in the next one.